Hi guys, today we will talk about how to transfer your phone number or your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go up, you will click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you click here on money, then you come to next window here, and you just go down here, then you click here on transfer to bank card or mobile here, and you click here on transfer to mobile number, and it's going to take you to next window, and you click here on use now, and you accept here, then and it's going to take you to next window. So you just add here your phone number, and you click here on OK, and it's going to take you to next window. You add your information, it's going to add with you. I wish now you are get it, so just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.